Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to hopefully resolve the HTTP error 404. You're trying to access web pages and unfortunately you're having issues. Assuming that this is an error that's occurring on our local computer and on our network, there is one specific suggestion I can make to how to resolve that issue. And that would be to head over to the Start menu, and we're going to left click on the Start button and type in Services. Should be listed as a desktop app on Windows 10. On earlier versions of Windows, it should just say Services. So you want to left click on that. Ideally, we're going to be searching for Web Deployment Agent Service, and then we'd right click on it and then left click on Stop. However, since it's not in my list, we're going to instead go over to Web Client here. We're going to right click on it and then left click on Stop. Now only do Web Client if there is no Web Deployment Agent Service available in this list. So just keep that in mind. And then once you're done, you can close out of the services window and hopefully you should be good to go. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I hope to catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.